everyone, and welcome again to another episode of 4x4 Desert Safari. On today's episode, I will be showing you how to mount a base for an external antenna. So we have two types of antennas. It can be a CB antenna for communication purpose, or it can be an antenna to warn other drivers if you're stuck. So we call it anti-collision flagpole. Today we're going to start by masking the paint here on the sides, and then we're going to remove the plastic cover, which is the decoration cover, and then we're going to install the part which I bought online, and already I fixed the screw for the antenna base. So I will show you everything in the coming scene. So stay tuned and let's have a look. It is very important to protect your paint. I have this masking tape. I'm going to take two pieces. I'm going to put Alright, so now we're done with the masking tape. Anything that will touch the paint will not damage the paint. The next part is to remove this plastic cover. It has like a latch from inside, so I'm going to open the door and I'll show you closely. So let's go. The best thing is to open the door not too wide. As you can see here, this is the latch. Push it. So I released it from here, as you can see. I'm pushing it outside. Here we go. Let's have a look. Here comes the part. The part is out. All right. So the second part I'm going to share with you is this one. Okay. Comes for the FJ. Okay, I bought it online. Now what I did is I fixed already the screw. I tightened it. Yeah, it's mounted. And then also this screw came with it. I think this is for adjustment from the body. We will see together how we will do it. Let's go and see how we can fit it. Ladies and gents, what I noticed is once I remove the cover, you can see clearly, and I'll point out with this Allen key, there is a hole here. So the screw should go through this hole and the part should be mounted on this. And then from this side, I need to put the washer and tighten it, and then it will be fixed. What I'm doing now is I removed the screw. Okay, I'm gonna tighten this as much as I can. I want it to be in, yeah, as much as I can. So this is the maximum. So now, let me get the camera close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come, slide the unit from here, make sure the screw is in, and we can see from here how the screw is shown. So I need to put the washer and then tighten it, and the job is done. Ladies and gents, this is how it shows, how it's fixed. This is the base of the antenna. You have the screw here, and you have the other one here. This is how it looks fitted on the car. Now we can remove the masking tapes. And this is the end product. Okay, so we come towards the end. The part has been fixed. I'm quite happy with it. It seems solid. Suits the car. Doesn't look ugly, sticking out. Also, I would like to show you that I have a 2-part antenna. It's a 3 meters antenna or 9-foot antenna to be able to fit inside. So I'm going to take it out. There we go. This is the top of the antenna. You have a connector here, connection. Officially you screw it to this and then you will end up having a 3 meters. The ceiling is low, so just to show you how, I don't think I'll manage, but usually it will come. I will screw it here, okay, and then you will have the antenna rising almost 9 foot or 3 meters above the car. So the people who are driving behind you, whatever terrain you are, when they see this pole with the flag, on top, you know that either you're stuck, you're not moving, so they will wait till you clear the path, and then after that, they will follow. So again, this is mainly for safety, for your safety and the safety of others. I hope you liked it. Till the next video, take care. Bye. Ciao.